The boy sit down and a read. Now him get up. Him a wonder when him shirt wet up. Now him stop, the shit get weird. Scratch him head, scratch him beard. Him a look round and a listen. I wonder if me right is a prison. Black shorts with your shirt wear blue. Listen where the teacher have to say to you. A long time me write that song. A long time me write that song. Oh. From 2003 in the mama. A long time me write that song. A long time me write that song. Oh. From 2003 in the mama. Drop 10 song a day, cause you know me no lazy. Snap the out your nose, getting too crazy.
Yes, there's Mr. Pluto. 1 gear up the hill. 2 gear up the hill. 3 gear up the hill. Yes, he reaches destination now. Yes, Mr.
Yeah, jumpin', them boys up to something. They just smell like 2 or 3 out the country.
Feel sick.
Say you're sick, I must see the bus.
You're too cold. No feel the freeze on my soul. Open up your leg, let me in.
Alright, can I have a milkshake?
Me no drink milkshake, but it's in my yard. Damn right.
Hey, cuz, I'm doing a family reunion and I want you to get me a goat. How much is it gonna cost me? I'm coming to Jamaica.
You know, say, I 300,000 you go to myself, I do.
What?
Yeah, man. But like, call you, me can chat to one brother and get it for 200. You get a rope with it.
Class, today we will be learning how to roll our R's in Spanish class. Kim, start. Simple, sir. Good job. Sam, your turn. Alright. Designer, your turn. Yada, beat, yada. Alright, now I'm gonna do this once. I must catch it. Yo, you do it. Good. Now we're gonna do an activity. I'm gonna sing and you put in the necessary R's. Alright, ready?
I'm gonna feel my vibe right now, feel myself. Panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean in the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, family, wait and see, look like a panda. Going out like a Montana, 100 killers on the helmets. Legacies, family, wait and see, panda.
Susan, but what now you doing?
Do what?
Your hair never do, and your nails never do. So how you hold your man?
How, bitch?
How am I hold my man? Show you something. Come here. Come here.
You know what me pum pum? On the body me a wine and a boom boom. Have me back.
Or what? Or what? I already fucked him already. What I need to call him back for?
Look at nothing.
Atwisha. I know I'm back at it again. Some girl at Earth I don't get. Whoa, I'm a Brazilian drop off. Anyways, back at it. Don't must think than fatter. From Hurricane, Matty Boss, them don't take no bottom. I'm just expressing my feelings from my heart. My girl, me need you feel this to the bottom. You a Benz, them girl, and Nissan Sunny. You them lame, my girl, you funny. Them a bleach, them can't come out when it's sunny. Them man call him bitch, your man call you honey. Yeah. Your man a give you money. Them man give them nothing, not even body. Lord. Some girl life funny. Yeah man, them life funny. Nissan Sunny. My Brazilian is real people. For technicals, whoa, is it? Stop it. Hey bro, bitches from across the world, this is Twisha the rich bitch. We're in this bitch. I just came from the sandal store. I just bought some BT, I just bought some K. Now I have on the rose. Yeah, these are yard slippers though, cause I prefer wear Gucci out, like, yes. Please don't ask where I got these, like, y'all can afford them, like, please don't stick to your slippers, girls. Yes, I'm gonna take these Balenciagas off, they're hurting my eyes. Like, I prefer Gucci, but the Gucci's on the 5th floor right now, so I'm gonna show you that later. I can't bother to take the elevator right now. Yes, girl, so, like, these are my white gold nose ring. Like, y'all can't afford them, like, so please, I'm begging you, don't ask where I got these or how much I paid for these. Like, these two, these are my Plastiagos. They're from Italy. Yes, Italy, I'm not local. I'm foreign, like, everything I have on is foreign. These nails are foreign. I got them for, like, 2K each. You know, these are Brazilians, like real Brazilians, not like the plastics, no.
Twisha!
Hey, honey, get my name right. It's Twisha. Hey, someone get her out of this thing before I get her fired or something like that. Damn, Bustica. I'm feeling sorry for y'all bitches. Like, how do y'all do it? How do y'all stay broke?